Hello, a very good morning to all my friends out there. I hope everyone is safe, healthy, positive, and having patience. I am Garima, and today I'll be doing a single zodiac advice card reading. I would like to explain that I will pick up a card for the zodiac and give you some advice for today. So, this is an advice only for today. So, kindly take the advice and make your whole day happy. Okay. Before that, I'll be doing a thought of a day. So let's see the thought of the day. The thought says that your value does not decrease based on someone's inability to see your worth. The thing is that today your value will not decrease if somebody is not seeing your worth. The individuality will remain. You are a unique person and you have your own values and your good qualities. If somebody is not giving you any weightage, or he's not thinking you're great, he's criticizing you, he is ignoring you, so it's okay. Your value will not decrease if somebody is not giving you the worth. You are an individual person, you are unique. So respect yourself today. My advice is respect. The thought says respect yourself in any ways. Don't uh, demoralize yourself. Okay. Now I'll begin with the Aries. Aries, what is the advice for you? Aries, I would like to say that you are becoming very possessive in your relationship. So don't do that. Don't be very possessive. Let go the relationship, let go the people uh, whom you are possessive about. Don't keep them, free them. Because if you give the freedom, it will benefit you also, because uh, you will be more you will be learning one lesson. So let set them free. And this also says set free from all the worldly grudges what you have taken into yourself. Don't keep it to yourself. Okay, don't keep it to yourself, just let it go. Don't be too possessive today. The Taurus, the card has come. Taurus, uh, today you will get lot of love, okay, from your near and dear ones. You will be pampered. And I would like to say that take care of your choice, what you do today. Your choice is the main thing. Okay, choose the right thing today and you will be happy, because you're getting a lot of love today from your near and dear ones. The Gemini, I would like to say you will be creating a message today. You will be getting a message today, and you may announce also something today. Like means you will spread, if you have a skill, you will advertise it. Okay, you will advertise that thing today, and people will be hearing you. Your And one more thing, that don't, this is the thing, that you will advertise your skills, but don't judge also people. Don't have a judgment for them ki whether they are good or not. Don't judge people. Everybody is unique, so let them be unique. Cancer. Cancer will have a balance today. Keep a balance in your day to day life today. Don't be calm, be balanced. Mm, oh, being balanced will be having you, and please keep hope. Whatever you do, keep hope. Leo. Leo. Leo, the card says that people are going to attack you. See, the people are going to attack you, and you will be a person who will be listening to them. So let them attack, let them criticize. You be firm in your things. You be firm that yes, what I am saying is right. Okay? Let people talk, let people say anything. But today, if you think you're right, if you have the belief system that you are right, stand for yourself. Stand for yourself, because you are right. The Virgo. Today the card are falling by themselves, huh? See, Virgo. Don't fight today. There is no reason to fight, because if you fight, you will lose your own dear and near ones. Okay, if your near and dear ones are saying something to you, just listen to them and say, okay, I will give a thought on that topic, or I will I'll just listen to them. Listening is a very good thing. Just listen to them, but don't argue, because argument doesn't lead anywhere. So say that, okay, fine, I'll take your advice and I'll think over it, but don't fight. Don't fight. Libran. Libran, there can be some function in your family. Uh, there can be some function, small function, or you'll keep some puja or something like that today. You will be having some puja, or you'll be teaching someone something. You will, or maybe you must be a teacher and you might have to propagate that, okay, fine, today I'm going to start teaching like this. So you can market yourself that also. So there will be some ceremony, and ceremony like marriage, puja, or something. Scorpions. Scorpions, take care of yourself. If you are confused, ask your elderly people what to do about it. If your health is not good, ask your elders about, take an advice from them. Take care of yourself. Basically, you have to take care of yourself. um, if you're in a job and all, you will be getting some good news regarding you will grow, you will prosper, you may be having a promotion or something like that. Sagittarius. See, there is a card here. For Sagittarian, it's a new beginning, start a new beginning, everything is ending. So, start a new thing, new venture, new thought process, new relationship, everything. But be careful, don't be careless. Capricorn. Capricorn, my advice to you is don't feel in a bondage, okay? Don't keep any grudges, because if you keep grudges and in your relationship, you will not able to see the good things in life. So don't keep grudges. If there is in a relationship, if you're finding yourself trapped, try to open yourself, okay? Think about it, why it is happening, what I am not able to see, okay? And what I should do to remove this unnecessary imagination which are taking over me. It's an unnecessary imagination what you're taking over yourself. The things which are not there, you must be creating about among in your surrounding कि ये ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. So your thought and your feelings are trapping you. So come out of that. Don't keep any grudges. Come out of this unrealistic imaginations. Then you will able to see everything clearly. Aquarius. Aquarius, there can be some uh, ex- there can be some exchange of love between your parents, your children, and maybe today you must be in a very good mood and you will be going in a very happy, go lucky way. The thing is that you can have also a collaboration with someone in your job, with, and in your family life also you will be having a good relationship with your soulmate. So thing is that overall the card is very nice. Love around today, and it's a good card. The Pisces. See, Piscean, I would suggest you to be careful today. Things may be going very slow in your life, very slow. Um, so have patience. I would like to say, have patience. In money matters also, you'll be thinking ki why the money is not coming, what is this. Have patience, it will come. There will be some delays, but have patience, it will surely come. Be practical. I would like to say, be practical in your life. Slow and steady wins the race. So these were the zodiac sign and the single advice from the tarot card. I hope it resonates with you. You have some link with this what I have said, and if you find any link and you find it very Nice. Please subscribe to my channel, share the channel, click the bell icon, give me comments, and your your association with me will be very nice. Be the part of New Horizon Tarot with Karima. I'll again come with tomorrow with again a reading for the day. I am giving a timestamp down. That means that if you are a Scorpio, there is a time down. If you want to only read about your zodiac sign, you can click that timestamp and you will come to only for the Scorpions. So, for example, I am giving you. So, be happy. Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you for watching New Tarot, New Horizon Tarot by Karima. Thank you so much.